Good evening, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 8:19 Central Standard Time on November 10th. And, yeah, just kind of making a quick one here tonight. Just to let everybody know, the Schumann, this here is our electromagnetic field. So, as you can see, all of this going on, I mean, that's pretty active. So, you come down here and take a peek at our actual Schumann, and you can see we have had a busy, emotional, roller coaster, back aching, neck sore kind of a day. Woo! Is anybody else ready to get off this roller coaster ride? Raise your hand. I'm ready. Get me off this thing, like seriously. Raise the bar, hands, grab your belongings and just, make sure you got it all and get off and exit stage right. Let's go. Get me off of this ride. Oi! It's been one heck of a night. But, yeah, and, so everybody just kind of hang in there. I mean, you can see how it's been like this all day. It's been pretty rough. We've had a pretty rough one lately. A pretty good go. You can see the geophones are going off. The side charts are going pretty good. Woo! I am so sorry. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and share this with your family and friends. We're going to go over here to the volcanoes and earthquakes. And I've already counted these from magnitude 3 and higher. I kid you not. I've looked at this. 182 earthquakes today. Whoa. That's a lot. I mean, look at this. It is insane. That's just from the 10th. From midnight all the way until current. And we had two 6.0s. Well, one was 6.0. I think the other one was like 6.5. But other than that, we've had, there's one 6.0 in Indonesia. And the other one, I believe, was a 6.5. I don't even know where it went. Oh, well, and it was in Okinawa. So, oh look, they gave me a 2.7 they threw on here. That's so kind of them. So, yeah, everybody kind of look and pay attention. We're right here along tectonic plates, as usual. Had quite a few here. This was actually this was a rough spot today. And you've got 3 different plates that are all collecting right here, right in the mid-Atlantic. Oy. This is alarming. Right here in China. What is over here? I mean, whoa. That's Afghanistan, India, Kashmir, Kyrgyzstan? Yeah, Kyrgyzstan. There's a lot of activity going on. Like, holy cow, there's so much going off. Whoa. See right here, you got a plate boundary right here. Oof. Alright, get off me, dude. We got the plate boundary there. All of this down here, there's a lot going on over here. In fact, let's actually zoom in here just a little bit. I'm gonna move myself up just a wee. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Hello. Uh-oh. We're having slow problems. Hang on, I'll get there. We can see here, we're right here by Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan. We're all right here. Do you think this might have to do with the war going on? I bet. Right here, we got a bunch in China, all in this area. This one is alarming because this right here is it's a big volcano. You can see how it poured out and down here. This is all burnt earth, scorched earth. Oi! Now let's see if this will actually cooperate. Nope, it's not gonna. I gotta hit pause again. Something I noticed, folks. If you look at this at 8:51 in the morning here, we're looking at La Palma. 8:51 in the morning had a 3.0. And then here, 10:26, 3.0. And then here, 48 minutes ago, a 3.9. 22 minutes ago, 3.1. 15 minutes ago, 3.3. Almost like this is being concentrated on, like this whole area, and then just like, oh, we're just going to kind of break off over, like we've seen on the Simpson episode, this big chunk of the Canary Island that's missing. It's almost like it's being planned, like we'll break it up in here and then kind of do the outside. We'll just kind of loosen it up and then hit over here, trying to loosen it up so that way we can go whoosh into the ocean. I would not be surprised, folks. I would not be surprised. Let's go check out those ones in the middle of the Atlantic, huh? And here we are in the Atlantic. Looks like we got 2 of them that hit here. And then 1, possibly 2 that hit here. And it looks like we got 3 right here. Yep, 1, 2. Oh, where's the third one? I know there's 3. You can see the multiple circles there. So yeah, that's a little crazy, folks. A little crazy. Yeah, here in Oklahoma, we actually got the weather going on. Yeah, there's tornadoes on the ground. They were on the ground here before us. We were like, whoop. So, kind of sitting near the bathroom. We've had the lights flicker. In fact, there's a tree in the front that literally just broke in half. 60-mile-an-hour winds. Matter of fact, I'll show you. So yeah, here we go out the front. Yeah, into the front. Look at that. There's the tree. Big old chunk of it. Come right down. See that? Boom! We had 60-mile-an-hour winds. Lights flashing. We had all kinds of stuff going off here. Alarms going off. It was exciting, to say the least. So, really, stay safe, everybody. Love ya.